HR, we always have to prepare all kind of letters, for example, offer letters, right? But today, we can use n8n to help us to prepare offer letters automatically. How? Let me show you now. So nowadays, how we prepare offer letters? Usually, we have offer letter templates that could look like this, with the names, IC, and the rest of the contracts, employment contracts. Then we have the information such as candidate information, IC, position, salary, and etc. So what we do next is we copy the candidate information into the offer letter templates, and then we check again and again to make sure there's nothing missed out, and then we save it as a PDF file, and then we draft an email to say, hello Mr. Candidate, congratulations, blah blah blah. Then we attach the right offer letter that you just prepared just now, and then you check again before you send out to the candidate, because you worry that you might send the wrong offer letter to the candidates. This whole process could probably take you around 20 or 30 minutes or more, and then you're going to repeat the same process again for the next hiring. But with n8n, you can just do it with a single click, one click. How? Let me show you right now. So this is the interface of the n8n. So I will need to build 6 nodes here, just 6 nodes here, and then you just click execute workflow. You can see it's running by creating the templates and then convert into PDF and then send the email to the candidates. Right. Let me show you if the candidate has been received the offer letter or not. Let me refresh. Yes, it's here. It's sent. The offer letter has been sent together with the email. And you can see this is the attachment that has been prepared by n8n. So I didn't do any copy and paste stuff. So there is no copy and paste error, and it's very simple. You actually spend just 5 seconds to do the work that you could probably take around 30 minutes time. So another use case you can use with the n8n is you can build your own AI chatbot, particular, for example, for the HR policies, because employees sometimes always ask questions that is probably available in the company policies. For example, what is the maximum claim? For example, what is how many days of the annual leave that company gives to us? So same thing here, we can actually use n8n to help us to build an AI chatbot that can help answer the employees' question. Right. So let me show you how do we build this workflow. So we're going to use AI agent to help us to build the workflow. So it looks like this. So this is the workflow that I have done built previously. Let me test on the results. Okay, let's say I'm the employee here. I ask the question, what is my working hours? Right. So based on my company policies, it starts to retrieve the information and then pull the data using Rush and answer the employees. So this is the answer that actually it extracted from the company policies. Right. So if your company policy has different set of policies, it's going to give you the different answer. So this is how the n8n actually help us to build a chatbot to answer the employees. So in the full day section, you also will learn what is AI agents, how we use Rush to build this AI chatbot that I just shown you just now, and then also some AI theories like vector database.